Hello friends, today in this video we are going to compare fractions. So let's take first example. 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 5 by 12 and 9 by 60. So how to compare these four fractions? As you see here, the denominator are different. The denominators are higher than their numerator. So how will you decide which fraction is greater and which fraction is smallest? So let's get started. So first, to compare all these fractions, we need to know the LCM of denominator. LCM means least common multiple. So in this example, the denominators are 3, 4, 12 and 6. So what is the LCM of these 3, 4, 12 and 16? So first we will find out the LCM. So I write here 3, 4, 12 and 16. So I will divide all these numbers by 2. So we can't divide 3 by 2, so I write 3 as it is. So when we divide 4 by 2, I write 2. When we divide 12 by 2, then 6 comes. When we divide 16 by 2, then 8 comes. Again I will divide all these numbers by 2. We can't divide 3 by 2, so I will write 3 as it is. I write 1, 3 and 4. As you see here, there are 2 3 numbers, so I will write here 3. When I will divide 3 by 3, then 1 comes. 1 will be like that. When I will divide 3 by 3, then 1 and 4 will be like that. Now we have got, so LCM of 3, 4, 12 and 16 is 2 into 2 into 3 into this one, 4. Means 4 times 12 equal 48. So LCM of 3, 4, 12 and 16 is 48. So I write here LCM 48. So we have to convert all these fractions whose denominator should be 48. First I write this fraction 2 by 3. So as I want the denominator 48, so I will multiply this denominator by 16. That's why. So I will also multiply this numerator by 16. So it will come as 32 divided by 48. Now the second fraction is 3/4. So I write 3/4. As I want denominator as 48, because it is the LCM of these four numbers, so I have to multiply this denominator by 12 and I have to multiply this numerator also by 12, because when we multiply denominator by any number, then we have to multiply the numerator by that same number, so that the value of this fraction will not change. So 12 times 3 is 36. The next fraction is 5 by 12. As I want numerator 48, I multiply numerator and denominator by 4. So it comes as 20 by 48. The last fraction is 9 by 16. And we want denominator 48. We'll multiply this numerator and denominator by 3. So it comes as 27 by 48. As you see here, Now we have got all these four fractions whose denominator is 48. So the fractions fractions in ascending order of values are so 5. As you see here, the denominator is same and the numerator here is 32, 36, 20 and 27. So 20 is the least numerator, that means 20 divided by 48, then 27 by 48, then 32 by 48 and 36 by 48. That means 5 by 12 is greater than 9 by 16 is greater than 2 by 3 is greater than 3 by 4. If we write these fractions in descending order, then 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 3 which is greater than 9 by 16 which is greater than 5 by 12. Let's take another example. 5 by 6, 4 by 15, 8 by 9 and 1 by 3. To compare these four fractions, we should know the LCM of the denominators. So the LCM of this 6, 15, 9 and 3. The LCM of this 6, 15, 9 and 3 we have to find. So I write here 6, 15, 9 and 3. So I will divide all these numbers by 3. So 2, 5 comes here, 3 comes here and 1 comes. These four numbers are different. I'll write the LCM of this four number is as 3 times 2 times 5 times 3. So which will be 9 times 10 means 90. So LCM of the 6, 15 and 6, 15, 9 and 3 is 90. So I write all these four fractions. First 5 by 6, then second one is 4 by 15, third one is 8 by 9 and fourth one is 1 by 3. As we know the denominator is 90, we have to convert all these denominators in 90. So as I want 90 as denominator, I will multiply this numerator and denominator by 15. So the value remains same, it will not change. 15 times 5 is 75. Now for this fraction we want denominator 90, that's why we will multiply both numerator and denominator by 6. That means 24 by 90. For this fraction, I will multiply numerator and denominator by 10. So the denominator will be 90 and the numerator 80. Here also I will multiply numerator and denominator by 30. So it comes 30 by 90. Now we have got all these fractions whose denominator are same, which is 90. That's why fractions in ascending order of values as you see here, the smallest one is 24, that means 24 by 90, then 30 by 90, then 75 by 90, and last one is 80 by 90. That is 24 by 90 means 4 by 15, which is greater than 1 by 3, which is greater than 5 by 6, which is greater than 8 by 9. Fractions in descending order of values are 8 by 9, which is greater than 5 by 6, which is greater than 1 by 3, which is greater than 4 by 15. I hope you have got an idea how to compare the given fractions when their denominators are not same. We have to make the denominator same. For that we need to take LCM. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe it and share it with your friends. Thanks.